Merry Rising. We are up. We just had breakfast and we are getting the day started. Michael is doing some work. I just updated our Verbo page because yes, we have a Verbo page again. Today we are going to finish up the hot tub pad. I got that on camera. Okay. Can Mom record now? We're gonna finish the hot tub pad. I am going to touch up some of the baseboards today. We got some paint last night at Home Depot because they're looking a little rough.
No, why?
We never did them. We have so much more rock, you guys. We're gonna do that. Got my hat on. Got my booties on. This is where all the rock is gonna go. In here.
All right, we got Kristen. She's rocking it. And it is now my job to level this pad and get it all cleaned up. So, whew, let's get that done. Cowboy tub is going on here temporarily until we can get the hot tub delivered. But this cowboy tub is 6 feet. The hot tub is 7 feet. So you can see kind of how something on there will look. For now, this is how it's going to be.
Highly doubt anybody's gonna use it.
Nobody's gonna use it. It's freezing out here unless somebody wants to take an ice bath. But if they do, I hope they don't, because if you drain it, it'll maybe ruin.
We'll have to say, like, please do not use the cowboy pool while you're here. We're
Yeah.
in the middle of construction.
Yeah, the only thing left to do is kind of like clean up the ground, and then we got to figure out what to do. We got like a little bit left of that.
So we're taking a break. We're gonna have some lunch. I am making some fries and Michael's gonna put these on the grill. Then we're gonna figure out where the hell we're gonna put the rock.
The rest of the rock.
Godspeed.
It's always nice to lift off the cover of your barbecue every once in a while, because this looks like it got left off and it is kind of dirty. We had some crazy rains. Look at this. Like, I would not want a guest to see this. So I'm glad that I'm making burgers right now, because I would have not seen that. This little Weber, it was like $120 or something like that. It's been working wonderfully for our guests. You know what's also been awesome? I was worried about propane tanks, like having to deal with those when we had guests staying. So one of the things that we've done is we've always had an extra propane tank sitting in the corner just in case the one runs out, a guest messages me. I say, oh, there's an extra propane tank in the corner. All you have to do is plug in the hose and turn it on. That's our system for the barbecue. Is that what you guys do? Let me know. All right, so we are now done with everything, but we have so much rock left. So we got to figure out something to do with all this rock. There's a couple planters in the front I want to try to use it with, but yeah, we'll see.
Eventually, we'll do over here, in here, and the tree of life. But for now, I just tied it into the back with these little areas. Now for some fence duty, because it wouldn't be an episode with us without some fence issues. Got what? Oh, you did it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I came out here looking for you.
Well, so it's behind the bush. You can't see it. So
Oh, I didn't even notice.
it's holding it up.
So, cool.
Ask me what I'm doing. Go ahead and ask me, Julian. We got a message from one of our recent guests that the shower pressure was not the best it could be. Don't disagree, it's fine. But one of the things I did notice is that when we have the shower on, there's a lot of water still coming out of the tub down here. And after a Google search, it turns out it's a similar process to how I fixed the leaking hot water faucet. I'm hoping that if we can fix this, I should have filmed it, I'll film it later, but when you turn on the shower, there's still like a lot of water coming out of the tub. So this should help get all of that water going up and make the pressure greater so that our guests have a better experience. We got a 5-star review, but they sent us a personal message that said, the house is great, everything was great, the only thing that could be improved was the shower pressure. Watch a YouTube video while I do this. I've watched it a couple times, but it's just nice to like walk through it step by step.
Step by step, yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Do you want to put this in minutes?
Oh, yeah. It could go 10 minutes. It could go 2 hours.
Okay, soak it for as long as I'm doing this. So I've just replaced the seat valve. This was the old one, and I just put in a brand new one. It looks like this, but it's like brass, and it looks nice. Inside there,
In that hole.
you can see in there. So there's the brand new one inside there. We got that put in. Now we're gonna go through and replace all of the washers on this and clean it out to make sure it is working properly. So the little replacement packet I got didn't have a replacement for this washer, which I need. So I have to run down to the freaking, hopefully the builder supply down the street has it. If not, I have to go all the way to Home Depot. So wish me luck. This little guy is probably the reason why it was leaking. I freaking love that place. They had exactly what I needed. This little guy right here, just a little washer. It was hiding. It took me like 15 minutes to find it. I almost bought a brand new entire diverter stem for the bathtub. They had a little washer, so now I can complete this project tonight. Fingers crossed. And get the shower working for our guests. And hopefully relax tonight.
Okay, while Michael works on that, I'm going to get some stains off this couch. New car scent, now for your car. I did not hear that it was for cars, but we're gonna go for it. Ooh, and it's on the floor.
Should be able to test it out. See that? Diverts. Pretty good. But look at it compared to what it was.
Oh my God.
Blowing out.
That's amazing, Lev.
I'm getting wet. Pretty much stopped.
Woohoo! Yeah, water pressure.
Let's reinstall this.
Plumber Michael. Fresh little guy.
My ass is wet.
Woo!
That's on. Right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yep.
All right,
It's a little wet.
wrap it up.
I need to clean up all these tools. Do you want me to do that later?
No, you can do it now. Because I'm cooking rice too.
Cool. You know what I have to do now?
What?
I have to take a shower. I gotta try it out and see if it helped the water pressure at all.
No, it's me.
Yeah, this isn't gonna work.
Okay, I'm washing the shower curtain, so you can't see. Michael, how's it going?
I would say that there is. I mean, you can come up that maybe. So the pressure I think is a little better,
Okay.
but I think the hot water will last a lot longer because there's not like a lot rushing down to the bottom.
Totally.
There's like none coming out right now,
Amazing.
which means that I fixed it. Now let's just make sure like nothing leaks, but like
We also have the washer going, so this could be a factor in the pressure situation.
the pressure's definitely stronger though.
Great.
But when guests are here, the washer's not going.
Yeah. Okay. I did not film it, but I recaulked the shower. I caulked down here by the tub because it had kind of had some separation happening there. And the baseboards are looking fire. I should probably leave this on a little bit longer, but I kind of want to see what it looks like. Oh God. Don't ever get the generic blue tape. Always get regular blue tape. Ah. I was just sitting here having my morning coffee when I realized that yesterday I cleaned the couch and it looks amazing. I was so worried last night. I told Michael, I think I messed it up more. We're going to need to buy a new couch or put a blanket on it because it looks so bad. So just know that it gets worse before it gets better. I used Dawn and water because the OxyClean chemical thing that I bought was freaking me out. It may have contributed to the fact that it looks better, but I went with the OG, tried and true. Found this recipe on YouTube last year when I cleaned the couch originally after we had purchased it from someone in the area, and it worked then. Now I think the combo of the three, water, Dawn, and this OxyClean thing, really cleaned it up. It looks real good. Breakfast is served.
Okay, so Kristen is busting her butt today. Which side are you going on?
You gotta follow me. I'm quick today.
You're quick, yeah. She's busting her butt, getting the house clean. I've had to work all morning, but I am here to help now.
I did the outside, so that helps.
Yeah, I cleaned the barbecue and the front. All that's left to do is the bar room, the floors, and then the front entryway. We were supposed to leave at 1. We haven't been filming much of this because we show this a lot, and I don't know how much you actually want to see of us cleaning the house because it's just kind of like
Monotonous.
It's monotonous, and it's monotonous for us. So if you guys think it's monotonous, let us know. Yeah.
If you want to see it
Or-
in full.
Yeah, if you want to see it, let us know. Our goal is to leave by 1. It is 1:02 right now. Can we leave by 2? Let's find out. Update. It's 1:58. We have one more spot to Swiffer. We just have to Swiffer this area, and we're done and we're out. It takes so much longer than you think, but now we got a 2-hour drive back to LA, and yeah, good trip. Got a lot done. Hopefully our guests enjoy it this weekend. Trying to think if there's anything else I need to inform you on. Nope, I think we're good. All right, shoes clean, ready for next guest. We are officially out of here. Right, Finn, are we out of here? Yeah, we're out of here. He's not happy. Oh, he's drooling.
Yeah.
Oh no.